Imagine having an employee who works 24/7, never sleeps, never complains, and doesn't need a paycheck. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what ChatGPT can be. Your digital employee. In this video, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT run your online business for free, creating, marketing, and even handling customers for you. When I first started online, I did everything myself. I wrote posts, designed images, replied to messages, and burned out. But once I learned how to let AI handle 80% of it, everything changed. I had more time, more focus, and more money. And you can do the same, starting today. First, let's train your new digital employee. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. You're my personal business assistant. I sell digital products about your niche. Your job is to write my daily marketing ideas, replies to customer questions, and weekly content plan. ChatGPT will generate a daily plan, what to post, how to promote, and even how to reply to comments. Save that chat as your AI command center. Next, let's make your AI assistant create content automatically. Use ChatGPT to generate daily posts, then paste them into Canva or CapCut using templates. Both have free automation tools. Canva can even create 20 designs from one text with magic resize. You just copy, arrow paste, arrow post. What about answering customers or followers? ChatGPT can write all your replies. Just ask. Write a friendly reply to a customer asking for a discount on my digital guide. Or write a comment reply to someone saying they want to start making money online but feel lost. ChatGPT gives you natural human answers in seconds. Copy, paste, done. Now schedule everything. Use Metricool or Buffer, free plans, to schedule all your posts for the week. You create everything once, and AI posts it daily while you focus on building new products. That's how your business starts running on autopilot. Finally, use ChatGPT to analyze your progress. Ask it, analyze these 5 post captions and tell me which one sells better. Or, write 3 new ad angles based on my best-selling product. AI will study your results and show you exactly what's working and what to double down on. You just turn ChatGPT into your personal employee, your writer, marketer, and assistant. Now imagine using that power to build your personal AI brand, where people follow you, trust you, and buy from you automatically. That's what we'll do in the next video. Build your personal AI brand, make it work for you 24/7. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's keep building your digital freedom empire together.